We are finally gonna bring this wall down. I don't know if you can see it wobbling behind me, but this wall is running directly perpendicular right down the middle of our future sanctuary, and so it's got to come down. Already taken out all of the electrical. There's still obviously wires running through the wall, but they're not live. So what we're going to do today is basically cut this wall down in smaller sections and let them fall to the floor. So we're trying to avoid hitting these lights in the ceiling once it can only fall this way. So let's get after it. So I'm actually gonna have to start by cutting these pieces here that are connecting the rest of the wall to this board because it's glued to this big column right here. So it won't fall down unless we cut these. So here we go. Whew, that's hot. Wow, I should have brought my gloves. Ha! So we're trying to avoid hitting these lights in the ceiling.